Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University, presented by United States Stove Company. In today's video, we will show you how to properly replace the igniter on your USSC pellet grill. Always refer to your owner's manual for maintenance and operational guidelines. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this grill, we recommend having a certified electrician or technician do this for you. For this replacement, you will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 3/32 Allen wrench, wire cutters, a zip tie, and electrical or duct tape. 1. Before you begin, allow the grill to go through the shutdown process. Once it's cool and all components have turned off, unplug the grill. 2. Open the grill lid and carefully remove the grates, drip pans, and flame plate. 3. Remove the 4 wing nuts and washers that hold the burn pot in place. 4. Remove the 2 wing nuts and washers holding the end of the burn pot housing in place and pull the end piece off using the number 2 Phillips screwdriver. 5. Lift the burn pot out until the igniter wires can be reached. 6. Cut the igniter wires near the cartridge using the wire cutters. Be careful not to let the wires retract into the auger housing. 7. Line up the ends of the cut igniter wires to the ends of the new igniter wires. Wrap the ends with duct tape or electrical tape so that they are securely connected. If there is enough slack, you may also tie the ends together. 8. Remove the access panel under the hopper so that the wiring harness can be accessed. 9. Separate the igniter connector from the wiring harness and slowly pull the wires down and through the grommet under the hopper. 10. Insert the pins on the end of the new igniter wires into the new igniter connector. 11. Connect the new igniter plug to the wiring harness. 12. Use a zip tie to keep the wires together so that there is no slack. This will prevent the wires from getting tangled in any motor components. 13. At this point, you can replace the access panel. 14. Use the Allen wrench to loosen the set screws on the side of the igniter housing and remove the old igniter cartridge from the burn pot. 15. Insert the new igniter into the igniter housing and tighten the set screws using the Allen wrench. Be sure to adjust the igniter cartridge so that the end is slightly recessed inside the igniter housing. 16. Line up the burn pot and replace the end of the burn pot housing. 17. Replace the 4 wing nuts and washers that secure the burn pot. 18. Carefully reinsert the flame plate, drip pans, and grilling grate. 19. Plug the grill back in, press the on button, and check for proper operation. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at www.usstove.com or give us a call at 1-800-750-2723.